Did you know that over 80% of car breakdowns happen because of avoidable mistakes? That's right. Most drivers are unknowingly shortening their car's lifespan and setting themselves up for expensive repairs. From skipping oil changes to aggressive driving, these small habits destroy your car faster than you think. But don't worry, in this video, I am going to uncover 10 deadly mistakes that destroy your car faster than you think and how you can avoid them. At the end, I will also share a bonus tip that can save you thousands in repairs and keep your car running like new. Let's get started. Mistake number 1. Skipping oil changes. Motor oil is the lifeblood of your engine, reducing friction, preventing overheating, and keeping internal parts clean. Over time, oil degrades and turns into sludge, losing its ability to lubricate properly. When this happens, metal components rub against each other, accelerating wear and tear. This can lead to catastrophic engine failure, requiring an expensive rebuild or replacement. Additionally, old oil loses its ability to clean the engine, causing harmful carbon deposits to form. To avoid these issues, change your oil at the recommended intervals, usually every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your car and oil type. Mistake number 2. Ignoring an overheating engine. If your temperature gauge is creeping into the red zone, don't ignore it. Your engine is screaming for help. Overheating can warp your engine block, crack your head gasket, and even cause a complete engine failure. One of the biggest mistakes people make with an overheated engine, they keep driving. That just accelerates the damage. Low coolant, a faulty radiator, or a broken water pump could all be the culprit. If you see steam coming from under your hood, pull over immediately, turn off the engine, and let it cool. Do you want to prevent this nightmare? Check your coolant levels regularly and fix leaks before they destroy your engine. If this video is helpful, subscribe the channel for more honest tips. Keep coming. Let's move to the next common mistake. Mistake number 3. Driving with low tire pressure. You might think low tire pressure just means a rougher ride, but it's way worse than that. Underinflated tires put massive stress on your suspension, steering, and fuel efficiency. More friction between the tire and the road means higher temperatures, and at high speeds? That's a recipe for a catastrophic blowout. Imagine cruising down the highway at 70 miles per hour, and suddenly, bam! Your tire explodes and you lose control. Low tire pressure also kills your gas mileage, meaning more trips to the pump and more money wasted. The solution is simple. Check your tire pressure at least once a month. Your car's manual will tell you the correct PSI. Follow it, and you'll extend your tire life while staying safe on the road. Mistake number 4. Overloading your vehicle. Every car has a weight limit, and exceeding it puts unnecessary stress on the engine, transmission, suspension, and braking system. An overloaded car requires more power to move, leading to excessive fuel consumption and increased engine wear. The added strain can cause overheating, transmission slipping, and faster wear on the brakes, reducing their stopping power. Additionally, the extra weight puts strain on the suspension, leading to premature wear on shocks, struts, and springs. Always check your car's load capacity in the owner's manual and avoid carrying unnecessary weight to ensure long-term reliability and safety. Mistake number 5. Ignoring warning lights. When your dashboard lights up like a Christmas tree, that's not a good sign. Ignoring warning lights is like ignoring chest pain. It might be a minor issue, or it could be a deadly problem waiting to happen. A check engine light could mean anything from a loose gas cap to a misfiring engine that will destroy your catalytic converter if left unchecked. A flashing oil pressure light indicates that your engine begging for help before it suffers catastrophic damage. Want to avoid an expensive breakdown? Don't guess. Get it checked. A simple diagnostic scan can tell you exactly what's wrong before it turns into a financial disaster. Mistake number 6. Letting your gas tank run low. Driving with a nearly empty gas tank might seem harmless, but it can actually damage your fuel system over time. The fuel pump is submerged in gasoline to stay cool, and when the fuel level is too low, the pump can overheat, leading to premature failure. Additionally, debris and sediment from the bottom of the tank can get sucked into the fuel system, clogging fuel injectors and reducing engine efficiency. Frequent low fuel driving increases the chances of getting stranded in an emergency situation. To prevent these risks, always keep at least a quarter tank of fuel in your car, especially during extreme weather conditions. Mistake number 7. Using the wrong fuel. Not all fuel is created equal. If your car requires premium fuel, don't cheap out and fill it with regular. It can lead to engine knocking, poor performance, and long-term damage. On the other hand, if your car runs on regular gas, don't waste money on premium. It won't magically make your car faster. But here's the real danger. Cheap, low-quality gas from sketchy gas stations often contains contaminants that clog your fuel injectors and ruin your engine. Always stick to top-tier fuel brands and use the right octane rating for your car. Your engine will thank you. And that's all for this video. These deadly mistakes can destroy your cars faster than you think. Which mistake shocked you the most? Let me know in the comments. And if you learned something new, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more car-saving tips. See you in the next video.